One missed protocol step doesn't just create extra work, it can stall a clinical trial, trigger avoidable deviations, and put the quality of your data in question.
This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services Advanced Consulting Partner and Well Architect Partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web, and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out a4u.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with Gen A1 for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concept2code.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us.
From the research site to the diagnostic lab to the patient, every handoff has to stay aligned all the way through the study, or small gaps turn into delays and questionable data. And while all of that moves in sync, the environment still has to protect sensitive health information with strict HIPAA-compliant security built into every step. First, Retrieval-Augmented Generation keeps every answer tied to authoritative clinical data, so teams aren't guessing from a generic model when protocol details have to be exact. On top of that, autonomous AI agents running on AWS AgentCore can carry a multi-step workflow from one task to the next without waiting for someone to manually push it forward. And with Amazon Bedrock, the platform can tap scalable foundation models built for clinical applications, so capability grows without rebuilding the system each time needs expand. Behind the scenes, the platform takes study protocols, patient records, and physician notes, then automatically passes them, breaks them into meaningful chunks, and embeds them so the information is structured for retrieval. That means coordinators and analysts can use semantic search to pull the right context fast, without digging through pages of source material to find the one detail that matters. Specialized agents keep the workflow moving behind the scenes, so your team can spend less time chasing admin and more time making the decisions that keep the trial on track. One agent keeps a live view of each patient, tracking history and every clinical milestone so the study team always knows exactly where that participant stands. Another agent looks at what's next and recommends the tests that need to happen, like an MRI, lab work, or an ECG, so required diagnostics don't get missed. At the same time, the scheduling agent updates appointments and connected systems in real time, while the study compliance agent flags deviations and expiring authorizations before they slow the trial down. That consistency starts with prompt templates, which give each workflow the same clinical framing every time, whether the task is eligibility review, visit prep, or follow-up coordination. Then guardrails add protection on top, helping block hallucinated answers, keep protected health information from leaking, and check outputs against clinical requirements before anyone acts on them. The foundation is a HIPAA-aligned architecture, built to support the federal privacy and security standards a clinical environment has to meet every day. From there, data stays protected both at rest and in transit, while IAM and Cognito make sure only the right people get access to the right information. And because CloudTrail and CloudWatch surface activity in real time, your team can see what happened, when it happened, and respond before a small issue turns into a trial delay. When patient onboarding moves faster, coordinators spend less time re-entering details, chasing paperwork, and patching together the next step by hand. And when patients stay engaged, fewer visits slip through the cracks, which means fewer gaps in the record and more confidence in the data your study depends on. With scheduling automated and decision support built into the workflow, teams can move studies forward faster and scale operations without adding the same amount of manual effort. So the question we opened with now has a clear answer. The misstep doesn't have to be the thing that slows your trial down when the operation itself is designed to catch issues early and keep work moving. Business Compass LLC's AWS AI and Gen AI practice helps turn manual trial work into a secure, data-driven operating model so your team can protect quality, move faster, and scale with far less friction.